Karwar. Karwar is a city in Karnataka, being the headquarter of Uttar Kannada district. Karwar is also known as Kashmir of Karnataka, being one of the greenest cities in the country. This place is popular for ecotourism. Fishing is one of the major activities of Karwar. Kannada and Konkani are the two widely spoken languages among the locals. Rabindranath Tagore Beach. This is the most popular beach in Karwar. The long stretch of golden sands of the beach is an ideal place to relax and spend time in solitude. The soft sand here makes it ideal for sunbathing. It is quite pleasant to sit on the beach in the evening breeze and spend time while it becomes dark. Rock Garden. Located just 500 meters from the Warship Museum. This place showcases beautiful stone artworks. Rock Garden can be visited from 9:30 am to 7:30 pm. Sadashivgarh Fort. This fort was built in 1715 by Raja Basavalinga of Sondar dynasty. Located on the northern bank of Kali River, the fort houses a temple of goddess Durga. It is said that Chhatrapati Shivaji visited this place in 1665 and 1673 and captured the coastal area including Sadashivgarh. It being built on a hillock offers stunning view of the landscape including the Kali River. The sunset view from this point is truly mesmerizing. There is also a 17th century dargah near the temple. INS Chapel Warship Museum. INS Chapel is a Russian-made OSA missile boat. It was launched as a missile launcher warship by the Indian Navy. It is one of the 3 ship museums in India and probably the only one in Karnataka. It is one of the popular places of sightseeing in Karwar. The ship is now positioned on a concrete platform so that the rising of seawater does not create any chemical impact on the ship. Being missile boat, INS Chapel provides enormous information on sea warfare with the artifacts and other good collection exhibited in this museum. The museum is home to mannequins dressed as doctors, sailors and captains as well as replicas of the missiles used and the food served on a boat. At an additional charge, one can watch a 15 minutes informative documentary on Indian naval history and the ports in India. The view from top of the ship to Arabian Sea during sunset is excellent. Kali River. Kali Bridge stretches over the region where the mesmerizing river Kali meets the magnificent Arabian Sea. The bridge was built in 1983 to connect the states of Karnataka and Goa. Tourists often visit the attraction for the splendid view of the merging water bodies and the Sadashivgarh Fort located a little distance away from the beach. Kadra Dam. Kadra Dam is one of the popular dams at the distance of 41 km from Karwar. Kadra Dam was constructed in 1997 in the Tapi and Tadri river basin across the Kali River. One of the major attractions of this area is a beautiful park with fountains, cascades, caves, colorful trees and plants. A gorgeous rose garden is a special feature of the dam. Kurumgad Island. Kurumgad Island is a tortoise-shaped island in the Arabian Sea and is adjacent to Devbag. Narasimha Temple is a famous pilgrimage spot extensively visited for the annual fair held during Pushya Purnima in January. September to May are extensively preferred for a trip to this island. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below.